This guidance is based on available information as per 9th of August 2020 and is subject to change as additional information becomes available.
Welcome to the Malta Walks channel. Today you will get a detailed answer to the question how to use the Gozo ferry. Every tourist has to visit Malta's beautiful sister island. The Inner Sea, Victoria, Ramla Bay, the Salt Pans, the Basilica of the National Shrine of the Blessed Virgin of Pinu, and many more. To see them in the virtual world, no need to cross the Gozo Channel, just hit the subscribe button under this video. But once you are here in Malta, to see the fantastic Gozo sights you have to use the ferries. Brilliant service, exceptional value for money and beautiful scenery on board. A 30-minute mini cruise in for not much more than the price of a beer. The Gozo Channel has 4 ships that make the crossing multiple times per day all year around. Minimum 48 daily departures and sometimes trips on an ad hoc basis to minimize the queuing and waiting time. Where can I find the ferries? The ferry sails between the Cirkewwa ferry terminal, north in Malta, and the Gozoton village, Mgarr on Gozo side. How long is the trip? The itinerary involves a 25 to 30 minutes crossing during which the passengers can enjoy some of the most picturesque and panoramic views of the islands. How much is the ticket? Standard passenger return fare is €4.65 at the time of creating this video. A car and a driver will pay less than €16. For children between 3 and 12 years it is slightly more than €1. For the detailed price list and schedule please check out the link in the description down below. Where can I buy the ticket? Boarding tickets are sold only at the Mgarr Terminal on a return basis. Customers boarding the ferries at Cirkewwa in Malta do not have to be in possession of a valid paid ticket, so when you arrive to Cirkewwa Terminal, since you don't have to buy a ticket, you basically just hang out in the large seating area, or if the gates are open just go straight to the ship. For more Malta-related travel information and useful money and time-saving tips, please consider to subscribe to this channel and always check out the updates and links in the description down below. Thanks for watching. Until next time.